Hello guys. In this video I'm going to show you how future perfect tense is in English. The future perfect is a verb tense used for actions that will be completed before some other point in the future. It is somehow about past in the future. The structure of the future perfect tense is subject plus auxiliary will plus auxiliary have plus the past participle of the main verb. For example, at 5 o'clock I will have left. I will have cleaned my room before my friends come home. I will have lived here for 6 months on July 13th. By the time you watch this I will have left. Making a negative future perfect construction is easy. Just insert not between will and have. For example, my chores will not have finished until tomorrow. We will not have eaten breakfast before we get to the airport. They will not have finished decorating the float before the ceremony. Tomas will not have saved enough money yet. The formula for asking a question in the future perfect tense is will plus subject plus have plus past participle. For example, won't they have arrived by 7 o'clock? Will you have finished your tasks when I pick you up? By the time you arrive, will they have finished the meal and the speeches? When will I have done enough work to make him happy? We use the future perfect to talk about something that will be completed before a specific time in the future. For example, on October 9th we'll have been married for 50 years. Will you have gone to bed when I get back? We can use phrases like by or by the time, which means at some point before. And phrases like in or in a day's time or in 2 months' time, which means at the end of this period, to give the time period in which the action will be completed. For example, I won't have written all the reports by next month. By the time they arrive, the kids will have gone to bed. I'll have finished in an hour and then we can watch a movie. In 2 years' time, I'll have graduated from university. Lastly, I must mention the point that if you don't mention a deadline, future perfect tense is not used. Thank you for watching. Please leave your feedback in comments.